Hi everyone, I welcome you all in a new Unity tips and tricks project. So this is called the vertex snapping. If you are a 3D designer, you may heard this term, that vertex snapping. What is vertex snapping? Vertex snapping is you have to maybe snap on the vertex from one object to another. So manually doing this is impossible task, but you have a feature called vertex snapping. You can do it. So if you are a 3D artist, you know every 3D softwares provide this functionality. So this is very useful for a level design aspect, and also asset design. But level, if you are a level designer, then you must know this feature. So this is a basic this tips for the actually for the basic users. I know that medium and advanced users already using this feature. So this is a very handy thing. Let's say in the art section, okay, meshes, props, features, prefab. Okay, let's say drag and drop this one. Okay, maximize. Okay, and I have to position it to 0 0. I mean 0 0 0. Okay, so this is in a center position. That's it. Okay, now I need to make like around this there will be a copy of this, like this one, this one, this side, this side, this side. Every four corner there will be another extra copy, and it will be like just body to body contact. So how can we do that? We have to use the snapping option. So let's say if we press Ctrl D on the keyboard, it will create another copy of this. So this is a shortcut for the Unity as a copy functionality. So you just do this one, Control D, copy, Control D, copy, and Control D, copy. So right now you need to snap that. So if, let's say, if I have to manually want to do this will be no correct way, because maybe the faces will be overlapped or something like that. So what is the process? The process is you just go and grab a corner to a vertex, and you just align the vertex to another object that you want to connect, like this. Select one. If you want to, if you click on C, if you click on C, sorry, not C, sorry, my mistake. You have to click on V for vertex, just like that. You see, when I click, this is the pivot is in center position, but when I click on V, it's snapping according to the point. So just click on V. So this point I need. So you just click on V and hold the mouse button and drag the object to the snapping position, like V, drag it. That's it. You see, but it's not snapping properly. You can see there is a gap. So you can click on V, there. Okay, almost there. Yes. Okay, you see, other just other piece. Take that piece. Go to V, snap that. Oh no, V. Okay, another point of view. V, snap it, snap. Okay, the edges are not smooth, by the way, but it's working. V, snap it. Okay, finally, V, snap it. Okay, so this is completely done. I'll show you another demonstration that if you have a smooth edges, then the snapping will be much easier and much faster. Let's say I will grab a cube, something like this. Okay, let's say a cube, directional light. Okay, go for the maximize. Okay, let's say this is a cube. So Control D to copy, Control D to copy, Control D to copy, and Control D to copy on this side. Okay, so I have to snap them. So just grab it, V, snap it, V, snap it to the vertex, V, V, snap it to the vertex. V, snap it to the vertex. Yeah, that's it. You see? So manually, this task is very hard, and you cannot. This is impossible manually. But you have to, with the snapping option, you can do that. Okay. So this is the snapping function. Remember, in a Unity, you have to press V. You have to press V to vertex position. I mean, if you just go there, press V, so it will and move around, so it will snap on the vertexes. You see the corner vertex. Okay, yeah. Initially, it will remain the pivot will remain in the center position, but if you press on V, so it will snapping on the vertex position. This is very useful and very handy for the Unity users, and this is very handy for in terms of level design process. Like you want to create a kind of wall. So maybe you have to do this one. Let's say this. Okay, this and this. Okay, so this is the wall. You have several copies of them. So Control D, so Control D, Control D, yes. And this one, Control D, this one is rotate version. I mean, maybe, yeah, maybe you have to do it, let's say 90, yeah. So, okay, yeah. So what you have to do is you have to go to the vertex snapping. Remember, make sure to move selection is on. Okay, you have to go on a vertex snapping, snap them, vertex snapping, oh, vertex snapping, snap them, grab vertex, grab vertex. Okay, move. Okay, so this is a line, and this one, grab V. Okay, so this is a kind of forming a kind of a wall. This could be a very useful for architectural visualization or something like that. So it's forming a L-shaped wall. You can do a duplicate that and snapping. Okay, so this is roughly the snapping option. So you can do very amazing kind of stuffs in the vertex snapping. Remember, press V and then drag. So this is very handy tool, very handy tricks. I mean, you can use it. So remember one thing, control, if you press Control D, it will make a copy. Control D, it will make a copy. Control D, select the object, Control D, it will make a copy, and then press the V for vertex snapping. V, snap, V, V, snap, V, move, and snap. Okay. So if you go for a wireframe, shaded wireframe, so you see this is what I did. Yeah. So I think this will help you, and this will be very effective and helpful for your Unity journey. So thank you. Keep supporting me and stay connected with me. Thank you.